How to build wealth with AI, 5 tools that will change your financial game. Hey there! Welcome back to Glow Up and Grow Up. In today's video, we're diving deep into the exciting world of AI and personal finance. Managing money can be stressful. Budgeting, investing, taxes, it can feel overwhelming. But what if I told you there's a way to make it all easier? What if you could automate your finances and watch your wealth grow, almost like it's magic? Well, that's where AI comes in. With AI, you can automate saving, budgeting, and even investing. These powerful tools do the heavy lifting for you, so you can sit back, relax, and watch your money grow. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius or a financial expert to use them. Today, I'm showing you 5 AI tools that will take the guesswork out of building wealth. And by the end of this video, you'll see just how easy it is to set your financial future on autopilot. Let's start with budgeting, the foundation of any solid financial plan. Look, I get it. Budgeting can be overwhelming. But what if budgeting wasn't about restriction at all? What if it was about control and clarity? That's where YNAB comes in. You need a budget. YNAB uses AI to completely transform the way you budget. It connects to your bank account and tracks your spending in real time, so you can see exactly where your money is going. No more manually entering transactions or trying to remember where you spent that extra $20. YNAB does it all for you. YNAB analyzes your spending patterns and predicts your future expenses. Think about it. It learns your habits, like clockwork. Let's say you tend to spend a bit more on eating out during the weekends. YNAB picks up on that and factors it into your budget. YNAB makes smart recommendations based on your unique spending habits and financial goals. For example, if you're trying to save for a down payment on a house, YNAB might suggest cutting back on dining out a bit each month to free up some extra cash. The cool thing about YNAB is that it's not just some robotic budgeting tool. It feels personalized, like having a personal finance assistant in your pocket. YNAB's AI continues learning from your spending, offering more tailored advice the longer you use it. With YNAB, you're not just creating a budget, you're creating a roadmap for your financial future. Next up, we're diving into the world of investing with Wealthfront, one of the most popular AI-powered robo-advisors on the market today. Now, I know investing can seem intimidating, especially if you're not a financial expert. But that's the beauty of Wealthfront. It takes all the guesswork out of investing, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of your experience level. Wealthfront starts by getting to know you and your financial goals. You answer a few questions about your risk tolerance, your investment timeline, and what you're saving for. Once Wealthfront has a good understanding of your financial picture, the AI goes to work. It crafts a personalized investment portfolio tailored to your specific needs and goals. The AI selects from a diversified mix of investments, ensuring that your money is working hard for you across different asset classes. Wealthfront's AI continuously monitors the market, looking for opportunities to optimize your portfolio and keep you on track to reach your financial goals. If the market takes a dip, Wealthfront will rebalance your portfolio, buying low and selling high to make sure you're positioned for long-term growth. Wealthfront offers tax loss harvesting, a strategic move that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in taxes over time. With Wealthfront, you get the expertise of a seasoned financial advisor without the high fees. Chapter 3. Digit, saving without even noticing. Let's talk about saving money because, let's be real, saving money can feel like a chore. But what if you could save money without even thinking about it? That's where Digit comes in. Digit is an AI-powered app that makes saving money completely effortless. It connects to your bank account and analyzes your spending patterns, your income, and your upcoming bills to figure out how much you can realistically afford to save. Digit automatically transfers small amounts of money from your checking account to your Digit savings account, either daily or weekly, depending on your preference. These transfers are so small that you'll barely even notice them. You can even set specific savings goals within Digit, whether it's building an emergency fund, saving for a down payment on a house, or finally taking that dream vacation. Digit's AI will adjust the amount it saves based on your current spending and income, so you're always in control. If Digit notices that you're spending less than usual, it will seize the opportunity and save a bit more, helping you reach your financial goals even faster. It's like having a personal savings assistant who's always looking out for your best interests. With Digit, you can say goodbye to the stress and guilt of saving money. Chapter 4. Acorns. Investing your spare change. Let's be honest. Sometimes it feels like you just don't have enough money to invest. But what if I told you that you could start investing with just your spare change? That's the genius idea behind Acorns. Acorns is an app that makes investing accessible to everyone, regardless of your income or how much you can afford to invest. It works by rounding up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and investing the difference. Let's say you buy a coffee for $3.75. Acorns rounds up the purchase to $4 and invests that extra 25 cents into a diversified portfolio. It might seem like a tiny amount, but those small amounts add up over time, especially when they're being invested and earning compound interest. Acorns makes investing completely hands-off. You don't need to be a stock market whiz or spend hours researching different investment options. Acorns AI does all the heavy lifting for you. When you sign up for Acorns, you'll answer a few questions about your risk tolerance, your investment timeline, and your financial goals. Based on your answers, Acorns will recommend a portfolio that aligns with your needs. Once you've set up your account and linked your bank account or debit card, Acorns will automatically round up your purchases and invest the difference. You can even set up recurring investments if you want to contribute a bit more each month. With Acorns, you can start investing without even realizing it. Chapter 5. TurboTax AI, Conquering Taxes with Confidence. Let's face it, taxes can be a major headache. But what if I told you there's a way to make tax time less painful and even potentially put more money back in your pocket? That's where TurboTax AI comes in. TurboTax has been a leader in the tax software industry for years, but with the introduction of its AI-powered features, it's taken tax preparation to a whole new level. TurboTax AI uses advanced technology to simplify the often dreaded process of filing your taxes, making it easier and more efficient than ever before. One of the most impressive features of TurboTax AI is its ability to scan your financial information and automatically identify every possible deduction and credit you're eligible for. It's like having a personal tax expert combing through your finances to make sure you're not leaving any money on the table. TurboTax AI goes beyond just basic deductions and credits. It can even detect patterns in your financial life to suggest tax strategies that you might not have even known about. For example, if you're self-employed, TurboTax AI can help you maximize your deductions for business expenses, potentially lowering your tax bill significantly. TurboTax AI learns from your previous filings and continues to refine its suggestions year after year, making your tax experience even smoother and more personalized over time. With TurboTax AI, you can say goodbye to the stress and anxiety of tax season. And that's it. 5 powerful AI tools that can automate your financial life and help you build wealth without stress. Whether you want to save more, invest smarter, or get a bigger tax refund, these AI-driven tools make it easier than ever to reach your financial goals. If you're ready to put your financial life on autopilot, give these tools a try and see how they can transform the way you manage your money. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to Glow Up and Grow Up for more tips on how to glow up your mindset and finances. Until next time, keep glowing and growing.